Yes, sir. To begin with, sir, can we introduce ourselves to our listeners and viewers?
Okay, magandang umaga po. Ako po si Attorney Jojo Sale, ang Vice President for Internal Affairs ng AMUSUP, Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Welcome to SPA and Seamen's Village, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Sir, this is a new direction of SPA with, of course, partnership with AMUSUP, sir. Sir, how do you find another role of AMUSUP to St. Pancras Academy?
Well, actually, we don't think it's really a new role, but what we would want to emphasize is that we will continue the support of the union to the Seafarers Village and to the educational program of the village through the St. Pancras Academy. We are very glad and we are happy to note this change of direction of SPA to try and admit more students, no, for its innovative educational program. And as was mentioned earlier during the program, the emphasis is on globalization, global standards, and AMUSUP, being a global organization, is happy to support that kind of endeavor. So this is one way of raising the standards, the educational standards that are available to our young people, especially the children of our Filipino seafarers and the young residents of the Seamen's Village itself. So to Ma'am Marisa and her team and St. Pancras Academy and and the Seamen's Village Administration and the Homeowners Association, maraming salamat po, more power, and congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. In connection to that, sir, we are viewed and listened all over the world, sir. What are your message to our Filipino seafarers on board ship and who are staying offshore?
Well, para ho sa ating mga minamahal na mga Pilipino mandaragat, our Filipino seafarers, unang-una po binabati namin kayo. Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan sa mga panahong ito. At ikalawa po ay nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa AMUSUP, no, sa ating union. Sana po ay mapagpatuloy po namin ang paninilbihan sa inyo at sa 10 ng inyong mga pamilya at mga kamag-anak. At sama-sama po nating baguhin ang imahe ng marinong Pilipino. Sama-sama po nating ibandera ang watawat ng Pilipinas sa lahat ng sulok ng mundo na ang mga Pilipinong mandaragat are the best and the brightest seafarers in the world today.
Yes,
maraming
sir.
Salamat po.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, how about your message to our internet on our radio station, which is Radyo Atraca?
Well, congratulations to Radyo Atraca. I think, well, this is the first time I've heard of it, and we're glad in the union that we have this new program that caters to the seafaring community. So more power to Radyo Atraca, and we hope that we will be, in the future, we will be given more opportunities to be able to send our message to our members and to the family and dependents of seafarers all over.
Thank you very much, sir. Mabuhay po kayo at ang mga marinong Pilipino.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinong mandaragat.